Understanding how your body and mind work is foundational to achieving optimal health. Just as a car requires routine maintenance to operate smoothly, so too does your body demand attention and care. Over time, neglecting either can lead to significant deterioration. Imagine driving a vehicle that hasn't had an oil change in years. The engine would be bogged down with sludge, each mile becoming a struggle, ultimately threatening to cause a breakdown. Parallel to that scenario, your body faces its own challenges when it accumulates toxins and waste. The question is, how do we perform necessary cleanses to ensure that our bodies continue to run smoothly? Cleansing your body is akin to conducting an oil and filter change in a car. Within our bodies, toxins accumulate from the food we eat, the air we breathe, the stress we endure, and even from certain medications or environmental substances. It's an unavoidable reality of modern life. Just as a car's engine can become less efficient and more prone to failure when filled with dirty oil, your body can experience a multitude of health problems when hindered by accumulated waste. Regular cleansing purges these toxins, supporting your body's natural detoxification processes and ensuring that all systems function optimally. Failing to cleanse your body on a regular basis can lead to dire consequences. Chronic fatigue, weakened immune responses, digestive irregularities, mood swings, and more serious ailments such as liver disease or obesity may manifest. Just as driving with dirty oil diminishes a car's performance and longevity, so too does the buildup of impurities affect your physical and mental health, leading to a decline in vitality and possibly severe health complications. Maintaining a healthy body demands more than simply focusing on cleansing. While regular detoxification is vital, a holistic approach that encompasses proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate rest, and mental well-being is equally important. Imagine trying to keep a car in peak condition while ignoring tire pressure or neglecting the brakes. Doing so would endanger safety and performance. Instead, nurturing your body should be a multifaceted endeavor. Adequate sleep ensures your body has time to repair and regenerate. Nutritious foods provide essential nutrients, while regular physical activity keeps your systems functioning efficiently. Similarly, mental well-being, coping with stress, and nurturing emotional health completes the picture of comprehensive care. If you're ready to venture into the world of self-cleansing from the comfort of your own home, several methods can aid you in this endeavor. The following techniques offer effective and safe approaches to detoxify your body, allowing your internal systems to refresh and restore their natural balance. One of the simplest and most accessible cleansing techniques is fasting for 24 hours. Practicing this once a week can kickstart your detoxification. Begin with a healthy breakfast in the morning. Then, for the remainder of the day, only consume water or unsweetened tea to remain hydrated. This fasting can promote autophagy, a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Preparation: boil a gallon of water the night before, then allow it to cool. Execution: starting in the morning, drink 1 cup, 250 milliliters, of the prepared water every 20 minutes. Continue until you begin to feel the urge to use the restroom. Hydration: afterward, continue drinking water or tea until the following morning. It's common to experience mild dizziness or headaches during this process, particularly as your body starts eliminating toxins. During this day, prioritize rest and hydration. These side effects are merely signs that your body is actively cleansing. For those seeking a deeper cleanse, a saltwater flush can facilitate bowel movements and encourage the removal of toxins. This method can be performed safely once a month. Ingredients: a gallon of boiled water and a tablespoon of high-quality sea salt. Method: on an empty stomach, drink the salt water mixture, aiming to finish it within 30 minutes. Expect the effects to manifest fast, often leading to multiple bathroom visits as your digestive system empties out. Recovery: continue to hydrate with plain water or unsweetened tea until the following morning. As with fasting, feeling dizzy or lightheaded may occur, but staying hydrated should alleviate these symptoms. Castor oil, known for its digestive properties, can also assist in cleansing the body. This method is best employed once every 3 months to start, eventually working up to every 6 weeks as you become accustomed to it. Ingredients: Organic, high-quality castor oil, and freshly squeezed lemon or orange juice. Preparation. Create a 50-50 mixture. For your first attempt, use about 15 milliliters of castor oil and mix it with an equal amount of juice. As your body acclimates, you can increase the castor oil amount up to 50 milliliters. Consumption. Drink the mixture on an empty stomach in the morning or after fasting for at least 2 to 3 hours. Post-consumption. Avoid eating or drinking anything until you have a bowel movement. Once you feel relieved, hydrate with gentle fluids, reintroducing solid foods gradually, starting with light options like fruit. Understanding your body's intricate mechanisms and committing to regular cleansing is analogous to maintaining a vehicle that is crucial for your mobility. Just as you wouldn't allow dirt and grime to accumulate in your car without addressing it, you shouldn't overlook your body's cleaning needs. The cleansing rituals mentioned serve to enhance your overall health, ensuring that your systems remain efficient and functioning optimally. By making a concerted effort to engage in these cleansing practices, you pave the path toward longevity, vigor, and vitality. Just like a well-maintained car, your body requires attention, care, and timely servicing to navigate life's journeys smoothly and successfully. Take pride in the choices you make for your health. After all, your body is your most valuable asset. Treat it with the respect and care it deserves, and enjoy the fulfilling, thriving life that follows.